How to fix Redmi Note 7 Pro notification sound not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Redmi Note 7 Pro notification sound not working problem. So guys, in your Redmi Note 7 Pro, if your notification sound is not working, then guys, how you can fix this problem. Okay, if you want to fix this problem, you have to watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video. Okay, so guys, I'll tell you in this video some tips and solution to fix your notification sound not working problem. Okay, so you have to be very make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. Okay, if you want to check where your phone status is, then you have to go to your setting and go to your sound and vibration option. So here you can see silent and DND mode. Okay, so click here and see in which mode your phone status is in right now. Okay, so firstly check it, and if your phone is in silent or DND mode, then you have to make it regular mode. Okay, after that your sound will appear from here. Okay, so you have to make regular mode, so click here and make it. Okay, so you have to do this firstly, and you have to make sure that your phone is in silent mode. Okay, if you keep your phone in silent mode or DND mode, you will not hear any kind of sound in your phone. So you have to make sure that your phone status is in regular mode. Okay, so firstly you have to do this, and if you are using low volume, okay, low volume ringtones, then you have to change it. Okay, if you are using low volume ringtone, then guys you can change from going to phone ringtone, and you can change it from here. Okay, so you can change your ringtone as well, or guys you can check your ring volume as well from here. Okay, if you are using low volume, then guys you have to make louder. Okay, you can increase your volume from here. Okay, so you can increase your volume from here, so make sure that volume is also on higher level. Okay, so you have to do these settings and all, and after that you can restart your mobile phone. After restarting, guys, check it whether your sound problem is fixed or not. Okay, and if you are still having a notification problem, then guys you have to go to notification from here. As you can see guys, go to notification and you have to set notification mode. Okay, so guys, as you can see, you have to enable all the notification from here. If it stays disabled, then guys you will not receive any notifications. Okay, if you want to receive notifications, then you have to click here, and after that notification will come, and you will find notification sound also. Okay, if notification is not coming, then you have to come and check whether your notifications are enabled or not. So you have to enable all the notifications from notification bar. Okay, so firstly you have to enable it and check your problem is fixed or not. Okay, after this your problem should be fixed if there is no hardware problem in your mobile. Okay, so do this setting and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is fixed, then guys your job is done. If your problem is not fixed, then guys you have to check out my next step. Okay, so guys this will be the last solution for you. So go to about phone and go to system update. Okay, if your device is asking for update, then guys you have to update it right now. So guys, if you are not updating your software, the problem come because of that also. Okay, so make sure that your system is up to date. If it is not up to date, then you have to update it right now. After updating, restart your phone, your problem will be got fixed. Okay, so guys, this is some solution to fix your notification sound problem. And guys, if still then your problem is not getting fixed, then guys you have to check your speaker. Okay, you might have a hardware problem on speaker, so in that case you have to go to technician. So only technician can be repair your speaker again. Okay, so if you have a hardware problem, then you have to go to technician. If you have a software problem, or if you have a setting problem, then guys you can be able to fix by this solution. Okay, if you are having software problem, then you can solve by your problem by doing this solution. So guys, as I have told you the solutions, and this solution will definitely work on your phone. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.